for butterfly, B, B, butterfly. C is for cookie, K, K, cookie. D is for dolphin, D, D, dolphin. E is for elephant, E, elephant. F is for fish, F, fish. G is for guitar, G, guitar. H is for hat, hat. I is for ice cream, ooh, ice cream. J is for jelly, J, jelly. K is for kitten, K, kitten. L is for lion, ooh, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for ostrich, ooh, ostrich. P is for penguin, P, penguin. Q is for queen, Q, queen. R is for robot, a robot. S is for sun, sun. T is for turtle, turtle. U is for umbrella, ooh, umbrella. V is for violin, V, violin. W is for whale, whale. X is for xylophone, X, is xylophone. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zebra, zebra.
P for Grant, hunt, tiny and strong. March, march, march. B for bars, bird, flies up high, chirp is heard. C for car, zoom so fast, vroom from far. D for duck, duck, quack, quack, in the muck. E for herb, round and white, don't let it break. F for broad, jump in the pond, ribbit in fog. G for grapes, grapes, purple and green, sweet shapes. H for horse, horse, ran so fast on a happy course. I for igloo, igloo, made of ice, cold but cool. J for jeep, jeep, drives uphill so steep. K for king, king, rules the land, hear him sing. L for leaf, leaf, green and soft, floats with breeze. M for mouse, mouse, runs around inside the house. M for nose, nose, smells the flower as it grows. O for owl, oh, bed, hoots at night, hoo, so foul. P for panda, panda, eats bamboo, such a cutie banda. Q for quilt, quilt, keeps you warm, soft as silk. R for rainbow, rainbow, colors bright, red to indigo. S for star, star, twinkle, twinkle from afar. T for turtle, turtle, slow and steady, never hurtle. U for unicorn, unicorn, magic horn and smiles are born. V for violin, violin, play the tune, let's begin. W for watermelon, watermelon, juicy and sweet, what a fun one. X for x-ray, x-ray, shows your bones in a funny way. I for yacht, yacht, sails on waves when it's hot. Z for zoo, zoo, where animals animals wait to meet you.
Hi friends, today we learn about fruits and vegetables. What is this? This is apple. Its color is red. What is this? This is banana. Its color is yellow. What is this? This is broccoli. Its color is green. What is this? This is strawberry. Its color is red. What is this? This is onion. Its color is purple. What is this? This is carrot. Its color is orange. What is this? This is peach. Its color is orange. What is this? This is mango. Its color is yellow. What is this? This is radish. Its color is red. What is this? This is corn. Its color is yellow. What is this? This is eggplant. Its color is purple. What is this? This is plum. Its color is purple. What is this? This is papaya. Its color is orange. What is this? This is dragon fruit. Its color is pink. What is this? This is blueberry. Its color is blue. What is this? This is coconut. Its color is brown. Amazing kids, you can do it.
Is for alligator, big and green. Chomp, 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 sharp and keen. B is for bear, furry and strong. Growl, growl, growl all day long.
C is for cat, soft and sweet.
Meow, 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 what a treat. D is for dog, wagging his tail. Woof, woof, woof on the trail. E is for elephant, mighty and tall. Trumpet, trumpet, trumpet a call. F is for fox, clever and fast. Dash, 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 running past. G is for giraffe, reaching high. Stretch, stretch, stretch to the sky. H is for horse, galloping round. Click, clock, click, what a sound. I is for iguana, crawling slow. Creep, 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 watch and go. J is for jaguar, speedy and bright. Leap, leap, leap out of sight. K is for kangaroo, hopping away. Boing, boing, boing all day. L is for lion, roaring proud. Roar, roar, roar so loud. M is for monkey, swinging free. Ooh, 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 ah, in the tree. N is for newt, tiny and small. Crawl, 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 that's all. O is for owl, awake at night. Hoot, 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 what a sight. P is for penguin, sliding on ice. Waddle, 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 oh so nice. Q is for quail, quick on the ground. Run, 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 don't make a sound. R is for rabbit, hopping away. Hop, hop, hop all day. S is for snake, slithering near. Hiss, 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 don't fear. T is for tiger, strong and bright. Growl, 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 what a sight. U is for urchin,
Sea urchin's the name.
spike, 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 ocean game. V is for vulture, soaring high. Glide, glide, glide in the sky. W is for wolf, howling at night. Howl, 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 what a sight. X is for X-ray fish, shining through. Glow, 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 colors blue. Y is for yak, furry and strong. Munch, munch, munch all day long. Z is for zebra, black and white. Zip, 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 what a sight.
A is for apple. Apple is red and juicy, it keeps us healthy. B is for ball. E, ball is around the mouse, so let's play with it. C is for cat. Cat says meow, loves to sleep. D is for dog. Dog is loyal pet, it loves to wag its tail. E is for elephant. Elephant's big and strong, it has a long trunk. F is for fish. Fish swims in water, it goes splash, splash. G is for grapes. Grapes are small and sweet, they grow in bunches. H is for hat. Hat goes on your head, it keeps you cool or warm. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and yummy. What's your favorite flavor? J is for jelly. Jelly is soft and wobbly, it tastes so good. K is for kite. Kite flies high in the sky on a windy day. L is for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle, it roars loudly. M is for monkey. Monkey loves to jump and swing on trees. N is for nest. Nest is where birds lay their eggs. O is for orange. Orange is round and full of vitamin C. P is for penguin. Penguin lives in the cold and waddles when it walks. Q is for queen. Queen wears a crown and lives in a big palace. R is for rabbit. Rabbit has long ears and loves to hop. S is for sun. Sun is bright and keeps us light and warm. T is for tiger. Tiger has stripes and is fast and strong. U is for umbrella. Umbrella keeps us dry when it rains. V is for fun color. Fun carries people or things from one place to another. W is for whale. Whale is the biggest animal in the ocean. X is for xylophone. Xylophone makes sweet music with its colorful bars. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo goes up and down, it's fun to play with. Z is for zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes, it looks like a heart. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H is for hat. Hat. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for juice. Juice. K is for kangaroo. The kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nose. Nose. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for pig. Pig. Q is for question. Question. R is for ring. Ring. S is for sun. Sun. T is for 10. Ten. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo.